Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to KVR High School Mathematics. Today I am going to explain some important questions in tangents and secants in exercise 9.2. Okay, so once observe the first of all statement 4. If a circle touches all the four sides of a quadrilateral ABCD at points P, Q, R, S, then AB plus CD equals to BC plus DA. Okay, ఇది మనం ప్రూఫ్ చేయాల్సింది. So ABCD is a quadrilateral. PQRS is PQRS. Okay. So point of contacts of a circle. So the circle touches the ABCD quadrilateral at P, Q, R, S. ఈ 4 పాయింట్స్ దగ్గర సర్కిల్ క్వాడ్రిలేటరల్ ని టచ్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, మనం ఏం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలంటే AB ప్లస్ CD ఈక్వల్స్ టు BC ప్లస్ DE అని ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. Okay, so what is given? So the circle touches the quadrilateral ABCD at P, Q, R, S. So the circle touches the ABCD quadrilateral. Okay, P, Q, R, S. P, Q, R, S are the point of contacts. Okay, point of contacts. So what is the proof? Proof, once observe cheyandi, A is the first vertex of quadrilateral. So A is also outside point of circle. A is also outside point of circle. So A outside point means AB is the first tangent and AS is the second tangent. Okay, so AB equals to AS. What is the reason? Okay, so length of the tangents are equal drawn from an external point of a circle. A meeku outside point. So outside point nunchi మీరు 2 tangents డ్రా చేశారు. AB is the first tangent and AS is the second tangent. So 2 tangents same lengths ఉంటాయి. So AB equals to AS. So A is the outside point of circle, outside point of a circle. Okay, so therefore AB equals to AS. AB equals to AS. Okay, so since what is the reason? Length of the tangents are equal drawn from outside point. The length of tangents are equal drawn from outside point. Okay, so this is equation number 1. This is the first equation. Okay, next Next, the second vertex is B. B is the second vertex. So, B is the outside point of a circle. B is the outside point of a circle. So, B is the outside point of a circle. So, BP equals to BQ. Okay, this is second equation. What is the reason? BP equals to BQ. So, what is the reason? Same reason. Length of the tangents are equal drawn from an external point. So, BP equals to BQ. Okay, second equation. Next, C is the outside point of the circle. C is the outside point of circle. Therefore, CR equals to CQ. This is the third equation. CR equals to CQ. That is the third equation. Same way, D is the outside point of the circle. D is the outside point of the circle. So, therefore, dr equals to ds. Dr equals to ds. So, this is the fourth equation. Equation number 4. Okay. So, now adding 1, 2, 3, 4 equations. Adding 1, 2, 3, 4 equations. So, adding 1, 2, 3, 4 equations, adding 1, 2, 3 and fourth equations. So, what is the first equation? AB equals to AS. Second equation, BP equals to BQ. So, adding AB, LHS values, LHS of the first equation AP. LHS of the second equation is BP plus LHS of the third equation is CR plus LHS of the fourth equation is DR equals to, so RHS of the first equation AS plus second equation BQ plus third equation is CQ plus fourth equation is DS. So, LHS, first of all add the LHS values, after add the RHS values also. So, once observe AP plus BP, once observe the diagram, AP plus BP value, AP plus, so AB plus BP equals to AB. AB plus BP equals to AB. So AB plus CR plus DR equals to, from the diagram CR plus DR equals to CD equals to, next AS plus DS. Okay, write in order AS plus DS plus BQ plus CQ. Okay, AS after write DS. So AS plus DS, that means AD. AB plus CD equals to AD plus BQ plus CQ. Check the diagram also. BQ plus CQ value, how much? BC. BAD plus BC. So this is the required result. Okay. Okay. Second question same model లో ఉంటుంది, బట్ ఇది ఎక్సర్సైజ్ క్వశ్చన్ అమ్మా. ఎక్సర్సైజ్ లో మనకి 9.2 లో ఓకే థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం 9.2 థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం సేమ్ మోడల్ లో వస్తుంది. ప్రూవ్ దట్ ద parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Next question. Okay. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. So prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. That is also important. Okay, same model, but same model statement 4 లాగైతే సాల్వ్ చేసాం, అదే మోడల్ దీన్ని మనం సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, ABCD is a rhombus. PQRS. Okay, so circle touches the ABCD quadrilateral at PQRS. ఈ 4 పాయింట్స్ దగ్గర టచ్ చేస్తుంది సర్కిల్. ABCD ఆల్రెడీ మనకి parallelogram. Parallelogram means opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay, so remember that condition. So what are given? So given ABCD is a rhombus. Sorry, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Parallelogram means opposite sides equal. AB equals to CD and BC equals to AD. Opposite sides are equal. Parallelogram. Okay, ABCD is a parallelogram. So PQRS are the points which touch the circle. So, మరి proof లో మనం చూడండి ఇక్కడ సేమ్ కాన్సెప్ట్. ఓకే, సేమ్ ప్రాసెస్. సో A is the outside point of circle. So AB equals to AS. Length of the tangents are equal, drawn from an external point. So A is the outside point. A is the outside point of a circle. A is the outside point of a circle. That means AP equals to BP. AP is the first tangent. AS is the second tangent. AS. AP equals to AS. This is equation number 1. So what is the reason? Length of the tangents are equal, drawn from an external point. So since length of tangents are equal, length of tangents are equal. Okay, that is the reason. So AB equals to AS. So first point complete. Take the second vertex of parallelogram. B is the second vertex. So BP equals to BQ. So B is the second vertex of parallelogram and it is also the outside point of the circle. So B is the outside point. B is the outside point of a circle. B is the outside point of a circle. Therefore, BP equals to BQ. BP equals to BQ. Okay. So this is the second equation. So reason is same. Length of the tangents are equal drawn from an external point or outside point. Length of the tangents are equal. Length of tangents are equal. Length of tangents are equal. Okay. So same way, next to take the C point. C is also outside point of the circle. So C is the outside point of a circle. C is the outside point of a circle. So that means CR is equal to CQ. CR, first tangent, CQ, second tangent. So therefore, CR equals to CQ. CR equals to CQ. This is third equation. CR, same reason. So length of the tangents are equal. Length of tangents are equal. Drawn from outside point. Length of the tangents are equal. Drawn from outside point. Next, take the last vertex, that means D. D is the outside point of the circle. D is also the outside point of circle. Point of a circle. D is also the outside point of a circle. Okay, that means therefore dr equals to ds. Dr equals to ds. This is fourth equation. Dr equals to ds. Dr equals to ds. So adding 1, 2, 3, 4 equations. Okay, so now adding 1, 2, 3 and 4 equations. Adding 1, 2, 3 and 4 equations. So first of all, add the all LHS values in LHS side. Left hand side LHS values add chadamandi. So first equation LHS value AB plus. Second equation LHS value BB plus. Third equation LHS value CR plus. Fourth equation LHS value DR equals to. First equation RHS value AS plus. Second equation RHS value BQ plus. Third equation RHS value CQ plus. Fourth equation RHS value DS. So equations మనం యాడ్ చేసాం. Okay, so addition of LHS values equals to addition of RHS values. So AP plus BP, once observe the diagram, AP plus BP means AB directly. So AP plus BP means AB plus CR plus DR means CD. So AB plus CD equals to the, so write in order first AS plus DS plus BQ plus CQ. BQ plus CQ. So first write in order S terms anni pakka pakkane vacheyట్టుగా AS plus DS plus remaining two terms BQ plus CQ terms. Okay. So AB plus CD equals to AS plus DS addition. AS plus DS means AD plus BQ plus CQ means BC. AD plus BC. Okay. So observe the result. AB plus CD equals to AD plus BC. Okay. So ఈ రిజల్ట్ కంప్లీట్ అవ్వలేదు మనకి ఇంకా. Once observe the diagram. ABCD is the here parallelogram. Parallelogram means already given opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Okay. So AB equals to CD. So AB plus CD means AB plus CD place లో మనం AB ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయొచ్చు. Because AB and CD opposite sides are equal. So CD value is AB. That equals to AD place is AD place. Okay. Substitute BC. Okay. AD replaced by BC. So BC plus BC. BC plus BC. Because already given AB equals to CD. BC equals to AD. Okay. So CD place emo AB. Next AD place emo BC. Okay. Already given. Since given. So AB plus AB means 2AB. 2AB equals to 2BC. Addition. AB plus AB addition 2AB. BC plus BC addition 2BC. 1 plus 1 2. 1 plus 1 2. Okay. Both sides 2 get cancelled. So AB equals to BC. We will get AB equals to BC. But the given according to the given condition, AB also equals to CD. Okay. But given AB equals to CD. AB equals to CD. Okay. So that equals to BC equals to A. AB equals to CD. BC equals to A. That means 4 sides are equal. 4 sides are equal. So that means therefore all sides equal. All sides are equal. All sides are equal. Therefore ABCD is a rhombus. All sides are equal. Therefore ABCD is a rhombus. Okay. Friends and students, thank you for watching. Okay. So please subscribe my channel. Okay. So share to your friends. Okay. Any doubt, if you have any doubt, so write your doubt in comment section. Okay. Thank you for watching.